The mobile network business pulls in over 9 trillion naira every single year. This means that every single one involved in this business, like MTN, Airtel, and even virtual card distributors, make money from it. And in this video, I'll be showing you exactly how you can earn as a virtual card distributor on Nextel Connect, which you can get registered on with the link in the description as you watch this video. Welcome, I'm Coach Deze, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can earn over 150k as a virtual SIM distributor on Nextel Connect. Now firstly, what is Nextel Connect? Nextel Connect is a verified virtual SIM platform where users can buy virtual SIMs and use them on their mobile phones. And as a distributor on Nextel Connect, you can activate these virtual SIMs and earn over 150k for doing just that. And secondly, what is virtual SIM? Now put simply, a virtual SIM is like a normal SIM, but this time around it is not physical. Instead, it is a digital SIM that can be bought and used from anywhere. And as a distributor on Nextel Connect, all you have to do is receive these virtual contacts and activate them for users on the platform. The best part is you don't need to sell. The platform does that for you. Basically everything involving selling the SIM card is done by the platform. Each SIM activation earns you 1000 naira, and at the end of the month you receive an extra salary of over 150,000. Now look at the screen right here. If you have seen this screenshot anywhere, this is a screenshot of my dashboard of my previous earning. As you can see right here, I've seen this a lot of places on videos, so just know that this is my screenshot, or this is from my account. Now this is because I'm one of the top distributors on Nextel Connect. You earn more on Nextel as a registered distributor when activated SIMs make calls and receive calls. This is as a result of a reverse billing system that sends about 20% of amount spent on calls to your Nextel Connect account. So this basically means that you earn more from SIM activations and more when they use these SIMs. Now to get registered on Nextel Connect as a distributor, it will cost you a one-time payment of 17,000 naira. Immediately after making this payment, it gives you access to 10 new virtual SIM cards which are ready for activation and earning. Now please take note that immediately after registration, there is a short waiting period for your SIMs to get active. Once these 10 virtual SIMs are ready, you are ready to earn on your distributor account on Nextel Connect. After that, you can start activating and earning from Nextel Connect. Now there are a lot of things you stand to gain as a registered distributor on Nextel, and I can confidently say that Nextel is one of the best business models you can embark on in 2026, because since I started on this platform, I have been my own boss. Basically, I don't go to any office. Instead, I stay at home and activate SIMs from the comfort of my own house. I'm not even that tech savvy. I don't know much about tech, but I still earn more on Nextel Connect. And imagine this, I earn over 1000 naira per active SIM on my distributor account, and added to that I also make over 150,000 every single month from my salary. And the best part is I started this with just a one-time payment of 17,000 naira, which means it's very affordable, and with 17,000 naira you can get started today and start earning on Nextel Connect as a distributor. Now to get registered as a distributor on Nextel Connect, click on the link in the description. I'll show you guys how to access the description. Once you get into the description, you click on the first link there and navigate through the platform. Once you have gone through the platform, you click on where it says get started. Once you click it, you fill in your registration details. After getting registered, you will see your dashboard will appear like this, not activated. Now to activate your account, click on where it says activate. Once you click on it, click on automatic payment, and then after doing that, you fill in your details on the page provided. And take note of the skill service, Nextel skill service. Make sure that you put it as a description when you are making this payment. Now once you get into that page and fill in your details, you click on next and you see an account to make payment to. Then you go ahead and make payment to the account. The description you should add while making payment is Nextel skill service. After making payment to the account, you come down here and click on I have made payment. After your account is registered, it will be active and it will look like mine right here. Now immediately after your registration, I personally will be giving you a proper guide on how you can actually go ahead and do all the activities you need to do on the platform as a distributor to keep earning and keep earning consistently. Now, one other thing I love about this platform is longevity. Now, this means that each SIM that you activate on your account gives you earning for basically the lifetime of the use of that SIM card, basically, because each received call grants you access to earning more on your account. And finally, I'll be guiding you through on exactly what I've been doing on my account and how you too can copy my own strategy to gain more on the platform Nextel Connect. That will be all for the video. I think we have come to the end of the video. Do well to drop a like and subscribe to my video, and I'll see you in my next video.